There is something incredibly exciting about turning a simple piece of wood into a high-demand, top-selling product. And today, I want to welcome you into a woodworking journey that can transform not only your skills, but also your income. Imagine crafting something beautiful, functional, and universally loved. Something customers can't resist because it brings both charm and practicality into their homes. That is the magic of rustic shelves. And today's video will guide you through why every woodworker should start building them right now. As you join this episode, I want you to feel the energy of possibility because rustic shelves have become one of the most profitable and popular woodworking items across the world. With their timeless aesthetic, natural textures, and versatile uses, they appeal to every kind of customer. Whether someone prefers a farmhouse vibe, a modern minimalist look, or a warm rustic atmosphere, a handcrafted shelf fits perfectly into their space. And that is exactly why these projects sell fast and consistently. Today, I want you to imagine stepping into your workshop and knowing that the next few hours could result in a product that will sell almost instantly. Rustic shelves require minimal materials, simple tools, and just enough creativity to make each one unique. They are beginner-friendly, yet they look professional. They are inexpensive to build, yet they sell at impressively high margins. This makes them one of the smartest and most rewarding woodworking projects you can create. As we move deeper into today's content, you'll learn how something as simple as a wooden board can turn into a masterpiece when combined with thoughtful design, proper sanding, beautiful staining, and smart assembly. Every detail matters, and even beginners can craft shelves that look handcrafted, artistic, and full of charm. This episode will show you how to elevate your woodworking skills while creating items that people actually want to buy. Rustic shelves are more than storage. They are decor pieces that instantly upgrade the feel of any room. Homeowners love them because they bring warmth and personality to empty walls. Designers use them to add structure, balance, and visual interest. Families want them for organizing books, plants, photos, spices, and decorations. Their versatility makes them one of the most requested woodworking items in today's decor market. That you'll also discover how the natural imperfections in wood, knots, grain patterns, uneven edges, become part of the aesthetic that customers adore. Instead of hiding flaws, rustic designs celebrate them. That authenticity is what makes rustic shelves stand out compared to factory-made decor. Your hands, your creativity, and your craftsmanship give each piece a soul that mass production simply cannot replicate. As you follow along, you'll see how different styles of rustic shelves create different moods. Floating shelves add a clean and modern feel. Thick reclaimed wood shelves feel bold and rugged. Tiered shelves bring a creative layout to any space. Pipe frame shelves combine industrial style with rustic charm. Every design has a personality, and today's video will walk you through which ones sell the fastest and why. One of the best parts about crafting rustic shelves is how affordable they are to build. You can create stunning designs using reclaimed wood, leftover lumber, or inexpensive boards from local suppliers. With just a few screws, brackets, or metal pipes, you can produce premium-looking pieces that customers happily pay top dollar for. This episode will teach you how to work smart, not just hard, to boost your profits. Rustic shelves are perfect not only for selling, but also for personal use. As you watch this video, picture your living room with floating shelves displaying your favorite decor. Imagine your kitchen transformed with rustic spice shelves. Envision your bathroom upgraded with elegant storage. You'll see how these projects don't just sell, they enhance the beauty and comfort of your own home too. Today's content is full of inspiration, creativity, and practical ideas that will make you want to pick up your tools immediately. You'll learn how to turn your woodworking passion into something meaningful and profitable. You'll discover how much joy comes from crafting something with your own hands, from shaping raw materials into something beautiful, and from watching your skills grow with every project. As we continue, I want you to pay attention to the small details that elevate your work. The way you cut edges, the way you sand corners, the way you choose brackets, screws, and finishes. These little touches are what separate ordinary shelves from top-selling ones. Every project you complete is an opportunity to refine your style and strengthen your craftsmanship. You'll also see how creating a variety of designs can help you reach different customer groups. Some people want lightweight floating shelves. Others want chunky farmhouse-style boards. Others love industrial metal and wood combinations. The more styles you offer, the more customers you attract, and the faster your woodworking business grows. Another powerful advantage of Rustic shelves is how simple they are to customize. Customers love personalized sizes, stains, shapes, and layouts. And the best part? Customizations allow you to charge even more. Offering flexibility doesn't just satisfy customers, it increases your profit margins. This is one of the secrets that successful woodworkers use today. That as you watch this video, you'll learn how to photograph your shelves beautifully so they stand out online. Images matter, and highlighting the wood grain, the rustic textures, and the craftsmanship makes your listings even more appealing. Pair this with smart pricing and great handmade presentation, and your shelves will always attract attention on marketplaces. Selling rustic shelves can also lead to repeat customers. When buyers love your work, they often return for more pieces, for the living room, bedroom, office, or kitchen. Many woodworkers build entire businesses around simple, elegant shelving designs that consistently bring in orders. This episode will show you how to turn these projects into long-term income streams. The heart of everything is the joy of creating. Woodworking isn't just a trade. It's a passion that connects your hands, your imagination, and your sense of purpose. Rustic shelves allow you to express creativity while crafting something people genuinely value. Each board you cut and each shelf you finish is more than a product. It's a piece of art with your signature on it. As you follow each idea, I encourage you to think about how each shelf could fit into different spaces. Imagine the designs you could create. Picture the customers who would love them. Visualize your woodworking journey expanding with each project. These are not just shelves. They are stepping stones to bigger opportunities. By the time we reach the later part of this video, you'll feel inspired to experiment with your own variations. You might mix wood types, try new brackets, distress the edges for an aged look, or carve subtle patterns into the boards. Every variation you explore helps you build a unique brand identity that attracts even more buyers. This episode is designed to show you how simple projects can have massive potential when you approach them with vision and passion. Rustic shelves are proof that sometimes the easiest builds create the biggest impact. You'll finish this video with new knowledge, new ideas, and new confidence in your ability to create top-selling woodworking pieces. As we wrap up the creative journey, I want you to feel proud of the craft you are learning and the skills you are building. Woodworking is a path filled with discovery, and rustic shelf projects help you grow faster than you can imagine. Each piece you build strengthens your craftsmanship, boosts your creativity, and increases your earning potential. Your woodworking journey is special, and this video is here to help you bring that journey to life. Whether your goal is to earn income, decorate your home, or simply enjoy the art of building, rustic shelves give you the perfect starting point. They are simple, powerful, and consistently in demand, the perfect combination for every woodworker. Thank you so much for joining today's deep dive into top-selling rustic shelves every woodworker should build right now. Your support means everything, and I'm grateful to have you here as part of this creative community. Together, we grow, learn, and build beautiful things that bring joy to homes everywhere. If you enjoyed today's content and want more inspiration, tips, and woodworking ideas, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new video. Don't forget to like this episode to help more creators discover it, and please share your thoughts, questions, and project ideas in the comments below. Thank you again for watching. Let's keep building great things together.